Now in this video we are going to take up one more problem on development of lateral surfaces of solids. How to solve this problem by using the SolidEdge software. The problem reads as, draw the development of the lateral surface of the cone whose front view is as shown in the following figure. So this is the figure which is given, wherein you have a common cone of diameter 50 and to a height of 60 mm, and there is a two section plane which is cutting on the one is at the bottom and the other one is the top. One section plane, it is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP, so you are getting a horizontal line here. And the other one is a section plane which is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP, which is at 30 degrees to HP. So this is how you will be able to analyze this drawing. So now I need to show, or I need to draw the figure by using the SolidEdge software. First we will go for the SolidEdge software. So you can see this is the default sheet of A2. Now I need to change it to A4. So to do that, first I will go for sheet 1, right click on the lower left corner by using the second button of the mouse. You just click on sheet setup. Now I want to change the background sheet, which is from A2 to A4. You just click on A4. You don't want to show the background, you just disable it and say OK. Now this sheet will going to shrink from A2 to A4, but the display is still set for A2 only. You just click on fit so that the display is changed to A4. Now I need to go for sketching. Before actually going for sketching, first you make sure that endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical labeled, and all other options you make it disabled. Then I need to go for the text. So I want to type the question. For that I will go for a text. Then I am going to change the font name as Times New Roman and the font size as 4 and enter. Then I will go to place the string wherever you want, and then you start typing the text. Draw the development. So I will say draw the development of the lateral surface of the cone, of the lateral surface of the cone whose front view is as shown in the following figure. Is as shown in the following figure. Okay, then right click. Now you go to move command. Select this and move it wherever you want. Now I need to write the front view first. So to do that, so first I will go for, first I want to draw a diameter 50 and a triangle, a 50 mm base and a 60 mm height. So to do that, I will go for a line command, go to the line width, make it 0.05. Now first I am going to draw a horizontal line of any length. Then I will try to draw a vertical line of any length. Then I will go for offset. Since the base is 50, so I will take 25. So you select that, and from this side also you take 25. The height is given to be 60, so you take offset, take the distance as 60. Then you go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Then go to line, take endpoint to intersection to endpoint. Now you go to delete this line and this line. Go to trim this, similarly you trim this. Now you go for a line command, draw a line from here, similarly from here, okay, then from here. Now I need to write the top view. Since the diameter is there, so the top view is going to become a circle. Go to circle, take center point, intersection of this to intersection of this. Then you go for line, take endpoint of this line on this side. Similarly, endpoint of this line onto this side. Okay. Now you go to trim these two. and trim these two. Okay. Now you delete this line. It's not required. Now you go to rotate, enable copy, you select this, take a center point. Since the circle is there, you take the center point of this. Then what is the angle I want? Angle is 30. Because I need to divide the circle into 12 equal points, take 0. And then the sweep angle is 30. Copy is enabled. So you just take the cursor here and click. Similarly, you move the cursor and then it will move, jumps by 30 degrees. Then you take this, the vertical position. Then you take this and then you take this. So this is how we can be able to divide the circle into 12 equal points. Now you go to line, you take end point of this. So once you do that, now I need to write the positions. Now I'll go for a line command, take end point of this till here. Again you take end point of this till here. Now you go for a trim these two. Then you go for a line command, draw a line from end point to this end point and to this end point. Now you go for a mirror, select these two and these two, mirror with reference to this. Okay, now you got the final figure. Then I need to draw a line which is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. So go to line, take end point. I will take 100, angle is 30. Okay, now I will go for a trim. Then again I will go for zoom window. Then here the diameter is 50. So I will go for offset. Take 7.5. One on this side and the other on this side. So then go for a zoom window. Then you go for a line. Take a intersection of this and draw a horizontal line. So you go for a trim, remove this, then you remove this. Now you go for a split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Okay. Now you go for select by holding the shift key, you take this, okay, make that to be 0.5. Okay, so this is how you will be able to get the position of the drawing. This is the front view. Similarly, I want to get the top view. So go to select this and make it 0.5. So this is the front view and top view of the drawing. Now what I need to do, so I need to name them. So to do that, I will go for zoom window. Now here I will go for dimension styles, go to ISO, modify, go to general, make everything black. Okay, then go to text, make it Times New Roman, then go to units, the angular you make it 0.12, then go to lines 0.1, then come down to text, it's done. Okay, take the font size as 3, okay, and apply. Now you go for distance between, select this, make it the diameter symbol, okay, select between these two, so you will going to get diameter 50, okay, fit it, then come down to the front view. Similarly, you go to this, select this horizontal line which will be of diameter 15. Now you go to suffix, clear it and say okay. Now you go for angle between this line and this line, you will going to get 30 degrees, okay. Then you have the line dimension, you take end point to this end point, so you use horizontal or vertical. So you will going to get 60. Okay, then you take the distance between by 2 points. You take end point of this to end point of this. So this is the true length what I want to get. So you're going to get 65. So you take 65 here. Okay. The next thing is I need to find out what is the angle of theta. Theta will going to be small r by capital R into 360, where small r is the radius of the base circle, which is 25, and capital R is the true length of the slant radius, which is 65, into 360. So the angle what you will going to get for this is this angle, which is 138.46. So I need to get that first. So to do that, so here first I will name the points. So to do that, I will go for a text. So here I will put caps lock on, capital X, sorry. So I will go for a text, make the font size as 3, put the caps lock on, write capital X, here capital Y, so here VP and here HP. Okay. Now you go to select by holding the shift key. You select this line, you select this line, make it 0.13. Okay. Now you go to zoom window. Now you go to move, select this and bring it nearer. You take VP and you take HP here. Take 1. Now you go for text. You take small letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, you take K. Okay. So accordingly you will going to get A dash, then you have D dash, then in bracket you get K dash. Okay. Then you have G dash. Okay. Then you go to move command, move, select this, you take it here, D dash and K dash, then you have G dash. Now here, whenever you have a section plane which is parallel to HP, that is this one, every true length, because these are the slant generated. So here we will going to get O dash here. Okay. So this O dash and here this O. Okay. This O. This is the top view. OA and OG both are parallel to VP. So here fit. So you come down to this, move OA and OG both are parallel to VP. These are the slant generators which is parallel to VP. Therefore, you are getting the true length here, that is O dash A dash and O dash J dash, both are getting the true length. So here but O dash B dash is not in true length. Why? Because OB is inclined, OC is inclined, OD is inclined. None of the other slant generators are parallel to VP. Therefore, none of the other generators are not in true length. But if you are finding the true length of the one generator, automatically it remains the same for all other slant generators also will have the same true length. So that is the reason why we need not have to find the true length. But if you are considering O dash B dash, this true length will going to be, when you project that, it will be here. So I will going to project those points here. So when you take OB, so line, I will take the intersection point of this. I will draw a horizontal line. So this will going to be the trim for this point. Similarly, for this true length, you will be getting this point. Okay. So now you go for a trim on this side. Again you go for this line and take the true length on this side. Go to trim. Similarly on the other side also you can take it. So this is the advantage what I am having, because if you can do it for all the true lengths of the same generator, but I am dividing it into two so that it will be easy for us to do the drawing. So that is the only the reason why I am doing like this. So then I will go for a trim. Okay, so this is how you will be able to generate the true lengths for each generator. Now I need to project these points onto this. So to do that, I will say distance between this to this first one, which is 19.5. Okay, then again between this point and this point you will get 39.79. You go to fit, then you take distance between end of this to end of this, 40.85. Then distance between end of this to end of this, you will going to get 44.06. Then you take end point of this to end point of this, you will get 49.36. Then distance between this and this, 56.11. Then distance between this to this, you will going to get it as 62.91. And distance between this point to this point, you will going to get 65. So these are all the lengths of the true lengths of each of the slant generators. Now I need to write the sketch. So to do that, first I will going to draw a horizontal line of any convenient length. So I will draw this. Okay, then I will draw a circle of radius 65. Then I will go for a circle, take end point, take the radius as 65. Then I will going to draw an inclined line end of this. What is the angle? 138.46. So the length is 100, angle is 138.46. What is the value of this? How I got the 138.46? That is because 25 by 65 into 360 will going to give you 138.46. So that is the calculation what you have for to find the included angle of the cone for generating this. Once you do that, then you go to move, select this, okay, and you take it out. Then I need to, so this side is this is the section plane which is parallel to HP. So all the section plane points on the true length of the slant generator will going to have the same true length, which is 19.5. So obviously you will not be able to, you need not have to divide this into 12 equal points. But here, since the section plane is inclined, you can see the sectional points what you are getting on each of the generators are different. So that is the reason why we are dividing it into 12 equal points and then finding out the true length for each of the sectional points. So now I will go for a circle, take end point of this. So what is the radius you want? The radius will be 19.5. Sorry, yes, 19.5 radius. So you got this. Now you go for a trim these two. Then I need to divide this into 12 equal points. So to do that, I will go for rotate, select this, take the copy command. So then what is the angle you want? Angle is 138.46. 138.46 divided by 12. So you will get 11.5 degree. The position angle is 0. Then 11.54. Then you take these points 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have divided it into 12 equal points. Now I want to name them. So to do that, I will go for this as capital O. Okay. Sorry. This as capital O. And this as capital A, B, C. Then I mark the D, E, F, G, H, I is not there, J, and I will take K. Then I will have E. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I will take zoom window, bring it near to the screen, go to move, select this, move, keep it here, then K is okay, then G, then D, then B. So which is the first point? The first point is A, so this point is A, so 65, which is already done. Now I want to take 62.91. 62.91 is between B and to this, both are there. So to do that, I will go for a circle command, take endpoint of this. So what is the radius? The radius is 62.91. So you take that. So then I will go for a split this circle, okay, till here, then split this circle here. Similarly, split this circle here, then you split this circle till here. Now you go for select, remove that first, okay, then on this side you remove it, then on this side you remove it. Now we have the two section points, so this has been completed, so you delete that. Next generator is between this and this, which are those two, which is 56.11. So go to circle, take the radius. The radius is, the diameter is now at this juncture you have diameter, I want radius, you press this tab, type 56.11, enter. Now you go for split this circle till here, then split this circle till here, then split this circle on this side and split this circle on this side. Now you go to select these two and delete it. Okay, you select go to Ctrl Z. Now you select this side, okay, then you select this side, then you select this side. So we have the two portions. Now you remove this also, it's not required, it's over. Then I want 49.36. Again go to circle, take endpoint. What is the radius? Radius is 49.36. Okay. Which are those two? Those two are on D and K. Okay. So go to split this circle till here, and then split this circle till here. Okay. Split this circle on this side, and you split this circle on this side. Then you go to select and you remove this. Similarly on this side and on this side. So you have the sectional points on D and also on K. Then you delete this. Now this portion is over. Next we want 44.06. So go to circle, take endpoint. What is the radius? 44.06. Okay, you take that and then go to split this circle on this side and on this side, similarly on this side and similarly on this side. So go to select, you remove this, okay, and you remove this. So we have it on this side and also this side, so you remove this also. Similarly you take 40.85, go to circle, take endpoint, radius is 40.85. Now you go to split this circle on this side, and similarly on this side, then on this side and on this side. Go to select, okay, on this side, so on this side, on this side. So we have these 2 points. So then you have 40.39.79. So now you go to R command by center point, take endpoint. So what is the radius? 39.79. Sweep angle is 10 degrees. Take 39.79. Enter. Sweep angle is 10 degrees. So you take this and you keep it here. So these are the sectional points which you want. Now we have transferred everything which was there. Now you bring down this here. So this is the one which I want, and these are the 2 things which I want. Okay. Now I need to name them. So how to name them? You go to this. So this will be 1 dash. Okay. 1 dash. This will be 2 dash. This will be 3 dash. This will be 4 dash. This will be 5 dash. This will be 6 dash. Because they are very clumsy, that is the reason why I am taking like this. Then 7 dash. Then you have 8 dash in bracket. Then you have 9 dash in bracket. Then you have 10 dash in bracket. Then you have 11 dash in bracket. Then you have 12 dash in bracket. So once you do that, now I need to move them. So go to zoom window. Then go to move, select 1 dash and you bring it here. Okay. Then you take 2 dash. See here, this is the mistake what I have done. Okay. So go to line, take the intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Go to trim. So trim this. So let us move first. Then we will see what next we can do. Then go to move, select 2 dash. Then we have 12 dash. Then you have 3 dash. Then you have 11 dash. Then you have 10 dash. You have 4 dash. Then you have 5 dash. Okay. Then you have 6 dash. Then you have 7 dash. 6 dash is 8 dash. Then 5 dash with 9 dash. 4 dash with 10 dash. Okay. Then in the second case, that is what we have here, I want to take the dimension, distance between, okay, this end point and to this end point, which will going to be 62.35. So which is those 2? So these 2 are this one which I want to delete. Then similarly on this side I want to delete the second one. So these 2 are the mistake what I have done. So now I will go for 62.35. So now I will go for R by center point. Take the center point, radius is 62.35. Then 62.35. Sweep angle is 10 degrees. So now you take on this side. Okay. Or if you want to reduce it, you can reduce because that angle is more. Okay. Then you go to take endpoint, take 62.35. The radius instead of 10, you can take 5 degrees. Okay. Take this. Similarly, you do the same thing for this. Go to arc by center point. Take this radius 62.35 3 5, then radius is 5. Click on this. So this is how you will be able to get the points. Once you do that, now you delete this students generator. Now I need to draw the curve. So to do that, first I will go for text. So I will type 1, then I will type 1 on this side, then I will take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then you have 11, then you have 12. Okay. Now you go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen, then you go to move command, move this and place it wherever you want. Okay. Then you take 12, then you take 11, then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, then 2, then 1. Okay. Now you go to curve, take endpoint to this intersection, 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 to this endpoint. Right click. Now we have the split command. Split this line till here, then the split this line till here. Now again you go to move command, take this move and keep it here. Now you go for select by holding the shift key. You select this, you select this, and you select this, and you select this. Make these 3.50. Okay. Now I need to go for the dimension between these two. You will going to get 19.5, and from these two you are going to get it as 65. So now finally I need to write this as the development. Okay. So this is how you will be able to write the solution for this particular problem by using the SolidEdge software. Now I need to give the angle between these two. So the angle is, go to angle between, select this line and select this line, you will get 138.46. So this is also 138.46. So this is the exact curve what you will going to get, and the same thing what I have got here also. This is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the SolidEdge software. Thank you.